If you want a business you can build in your spare time, this is for you. There are simple online models that anyone can start, even with zero experience. One of them is using PLR products. You don't need to be a tech expert or a business expert. You just take a ready-made product, add a little basic sales strategy, and you can earn from it over and over again. It's one of the easiest ways for busy people to start making money online. But that's just the beginning. There's an even simpler method that almost anyone can launch today. So affiliate marketing. Exactly is affiliate marketing? It's one of the simplest and most popular ways to make money online. In fact, when people hear internet marketing, a lot of them instantly think of affiliate marketing. The concept is easy. You promote a product someone else created, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's like being a salesperson, but instead of knocking on doors, you're reaching the entire world through the internet. Most of the time, you'll be promoting digital products like ebooks, software, or online courses. And the reason digital products are so powerful is that they can be sold endlessly with no cost to produce more. That means pure profit for the creator. And here's the cool part. There are affiliate programs that pay 50%, 70%, sometimes even more per sale. That might sound strange. Why would a creator give away most of the money? Simple. They want as many affiliates as possible pushing their product. They're already making sales on their own, and those sales are 100% profit. But once they hit the limit of their own audience, affiliates help them reach new customers they would have never reached alone. So the creator has nothing to lose. Even if they keep only 30%, that's extra money on top of what they're already earning. By offering a high commission like 70%, they attract as many affiliates as possible. And the more affiliates they have, the more products get promoted, which means even more total revenue for them. It's a win-win, and here's what it means for you. You can promote an ebook that sells for $50 and make $35 every time someone buys through your link. And unlike PLR products, you don't have to buy anything up front. You can promote unlimited affiliate products and scale your income as much as you want. Here's how affiliate marketing actually works. To get started, you just join an affiliate network. Some of the biggest platforms are JVZoo, Commission Junction, and ClickBank. These sites are massive marketplaces full of products you can promote. Once you find a product you like, you apply and get your own affiliate link. That link sends people to the product page, and it also drops a cookie on their device so the system knows you referred them. Whenever they buy, the sale is tracked to your account. At the end of the month, your commissions are added up and you get paid. Most good affiliate offers also come with marketing materials. You'll usually get a ready-made sales page, email templates, and banner ads. The product creator wants you to make sales because you're helping them make more money too. All you have to do is upload the sales page to your own site or domain and send traffic to it through ads, social media, or any method you choose. You never have to build the product, deliver anything, or talk to customers. It's one of the easiest hands-off ways to make money online. There are also other great online business models you can set up quickly. Maybe you don't want to sell digital products at all. Maybe you want to sell physical products. That's easy. You can become an Amazon affiliate through their partner program. The commission is smaller, usually around 4 to 8%, but here's the advantage. When someone clicks your link, you earn a commission on everything they buy in that session, so you might promote a book. But if that same customer adds a flat screen TV to their cart, you still get paid. Or maybe you want to build your own online shop. One simple way to do that is by becoming a reseller. It sounds big, but the internet makes it something you can manage in your spare time. All you have to do is find a wholesaler. A wholesaler is a manufacturer or supplier that sells items in bulk at a big discount. For example, you could buy 100 pairs of jeans for $1,000 and resell each one for $20. That gives you a full 100% profit on every sale. From there, you can reinvest your profits. Keep a little cash for yourself, then use the rest to buy a larger batch next time, or even switch to a higher priced product. Storage is easy because the items are small and you can list them on places like eBay. Packaging does cost a bit, but it's usually minimal. With just a few hours of work in the evenings, this model can bring in a solid side income. If you don't want to deal with storing products at all, dropshipping is another simple option. Dropshipping works a lot like affiliate marketing, but the product is branded as your own. Your customer never knows about the manufacturer. All you do is partner with a dropshipping company, list their products in your store, and whenever someone buys, you forward the order to the supplier. They handle everything from making the product to packaging and shipping it. You earn money without touching inventory, dealing with customers, or handling delivery. You can find wholesalers and dropshippers on sites like Alibaba, or you can take a completely different route and sell a service directly to customers or businesses. This is one of the easiest business models to start online, and you can scale it up or down depending on how many clients you want. If you're a good writer, for example, you can make a simple website showing your skills, place a few ads, and start getting orders. It isn't passive income because you're trading time for money, and you can't let it run on autopilot while you sleep, but it's still a flexible way to earn. Even though this type of business isn't passive, you can still run it without putting in a huge amount of time. You might write just a few thousand words a week and make a solid side income in the evenings. Before long, you'll build up recurring clients, and once that happens, you won't need to advertise much at all. The same goes for other skills. You can find clients as a web designer, photographer, graphic designer, or even as a marketer once you finish the rest of this training. And there are countless service-based options you can run entirely online. You could offer personal training, business consulting, or other professional services. If you only want to work a few hours each week, you won't need heavy marketing. Over time, your repeat clients and word-of-mouth referrals will keep the work coming. Just set aside a few hours to handle your orders, and you can enjoy consistent extra income along with the satisfaction of running your own online business.